Guess what happened today? So my video, 2 of my videos, YouTube Shorts, are getting deleted in 30 days. Yay. I cannot re-download them because guess what? This is so frustrating. They're gonna be deleted, but I can't recover them because I can only save them if I download them before February 15th. Well, I'm not sure what date you think it is, but the 15th was yesterday, and look at what time they sent this email to me. 7:55 a.m. today. After February 15th. These videos are getting deleted from my channel because some creator didn't want the sound. They couldn't just mute it, they had to delete it and send me an email about it after. I'm just really frustrated right now. Here, let me show you what video it is. Well, 2 of them. Let me show you one. Look, remember this video? Yeah, it's cool. I know it is. I really like it too. Too bad because it's not going to exist anymore, so enjoy while you can.